Are you guys bored of the old, like, gotten used to walking, idle, and running animations on Roblox? Well, today I'm going to be telling you guys how to add custom walk, idle, or run animations into your game on Roblox Studio. Any custom animation, even swimming idle, can be added by using this video. As you guys can see, this is a custom walk animated by me. It's not that good, but it's definitely different from the Roblox's default animations. You can do this without scripting, and I'm going to be telling you guys how to do it right now. Let's get straight into it. I'm going to start off by opening up a new base play. So if I go ahead and hit play, you guys can see that there is no custom animation, just the old Roblox animation, the default one, or whatever one you've equipped, the player has equipped or, like bought. So to add your own custom animations, before doing anything else, you're gonna want to go into the game settings section and just click save to Roblox. I'm just gonna name this untitled game and just click save. And now it's going to say load in place untitled game. So just wait and let the place load. So as you can see, it's loaded up, and if you don't have your Explorer and Properties tab, just go in View and get both of them on the right side of your screen. And now if you go in, you're gonna want to go into Game Settings, and now you should see the screen pop up. You won't be able to access the screen if you haven't saved your game to Roblox. You can change the name here if you ever want to, or change the description. And basically all the, settings and details about your game can be seen in this tab, in this game settings bar. So just go down and go into the avatar section, and make sure you go into the avatar type and change it accordingly. So if it's R6, just tick R6, and if it's R15, just tick R15. In animation, make sure you tick standard and not player choice. Otherwise, if the player has bought any other animation pack with Roblox, it will override your animations you've built in for your game, and the animations won't work for that player. So make sure you click standard and just click save. So once you've done that, we can start scripting. Instead of scripting the animation script, just click play, and as you probably saw the video, it says no scripting required. So you might have noticed that now the default animation has changed. That's because this is the default animation of Roblox, and the one that I had was selected from the marketplace. So now we can go into the workspace and just look for your model. So as you can see, it's Subtopic YT. I can move myself around, which is quite funny actually. So you're gonna want to click on this arrow over here and just find the animate script. I'm gonna go ahead and right click and copy the script, or you can just click Ctrl+C. Now click stop and go into the startup player folder and click on the arrow. You can see two folders here, starter character scripts and startup player scripts. Click on starter character scripts and add, right click and paste into, or Ctrl+Shift+V. Now open up your script, and this is the animate script that Roblox has scripted like itself, so don't change anything in here for now. Let's go ahead and make our animation. So we're going to want to go into the avatar and go into rig builder, and I'm just gonna get in a mesh avatar 2016. Now we can go into the animation editor and select this rig. Now note that I'm not a master animator, so let's just make, I don't want to waste any of your guys' time. You can just skip ahead if you don't want to see this, but we're just gonna make a simple walking. Okay, I'm not gonna waste too much time on this. We're just gonna make a simple walking, but I suggest you guys don't skip this, otherwise a few things might not work. So I'm just gonna make this, and you can do whatever animation you want, but just make sure to follow the steps of how I export it, etc., etc. Otherwise, your animation might not get in game. So the first thing is that make sure that the first keyframes and the last keyframes are the same. And to just make sure that this is true, just go ahead and select the first keyframes, all the keyframes of the first frame, and just right click and click copy selected or Control C, and just go wherever you want in the the timeline, and just paste in the keyframes. And if you want to just move the keyframe, just select them and just move them wherever you want. What the hell? Move them wherever you want. Yeah, so I'm gonna put them over here. And make sure that you tick loop. And now if I click play, as you can see, this is our walking animation. So I'm gonna click the three dots, and we're gonna go into set animation priority, and we're gonna go movement. Now click the three dots again and save as or publish to Roblox. Click publish to Roblox, and I'm going to name this walking animation. Click save and copy this ID. Just click on this button over here and it's going to say ID copied. It's copied right there. Now you can click close and you now have the ID in your clipboard. So scroll down into where we pasted the animate script in the startup character scripts and startup player, and open up the script, and just you're gonna see this over here. So one thing that a lot of people have a problem with and they don't know is that if you put the ID of your walking script in the walk section, it will not work. It might not work. You have to put it in the run section. As you can see, so just paste this over here. Paste your ID in the run, parts of the script, and see this table over here. It says ID, and in these quotation marks, you're going to see these set of numbers. So don't change any of this. Just select these set of numbers by double clicking, and just change the set of numbers. Now that that's over, we are not done, so go in the animate script and click on this arrow. Now find the run value. So just go into the run, find the run value. So it's over here, as you can see, and just go into this value, not over here, but click on this arrow, and then you're going to see run in. Now you can change the animation and paste your animation ID in this animation as well. And once that's done, you're going to want to click play, and as you can see, you can open up the view bar for any output errors. But if I click walk, if I just click W, it is going to walk. It is going to play my walking animation. And yeah, that's pretty much how you change your animation. So if you want to make an idle animation, you just follow the same steps, but paste it into your idle section and change the idle animation over here, as you can see. So that's how you add custom. So as you guys can see, we have a custom walk animation. So that's how you make custom animations in your game in Roblox Studio. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.